Amabhubesi kanye nezingwe okuhlengwe eGuatemala alethwe lapha eNingizimu Afrika. Lokhu kulandela ukuthi inhlangano evikela amalungelo ezilwane ithole ukuthi lezi zilwane behlukunyezwa iminyaka ngeminyaka.
Amalungu enhlangano ADI ayashaqala amakati yasendle angama-21 ekhathi esembukisweni nomigilingwane izilwane amasekisi. Bese kuphele izinyanga eziyi-18 bazama ukunxenxa iziphathimandla ukuba ziqede ukusetshenziswa kwezilwane kumasekisi. Lezi zilwane bezisesimene esingagcolisi, ezinye zikhishwe amazinyo, zigcinwe esakhiweni se-ADI kwaze kwaba zithuthelwa esanctuary kulelizwe. Bezihlala egunjini elincane ziminyaniswe iphakathi.
They were all poorly developed, you know, the younger ones, their bodies were badly developed through not getting the right food during their lives. And then some of them, their toes had been cut off to stop their claws growing, so they couldn't defend themselves. And also their canine teeth, some of them, they are snapped off.
Izishumi-7 zigcine kulelizwe kanti ezinye zithuthelwe eFlorida. Kuze kube manje le nhlangano isihlenge izilwane ezingaphezulu kwamakhulu 200 emhlabeni.